How to make money with Webflow. Hello everyone, I'm your host Jason, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can make your first $100 per day online with Webflow even as a complete beginner. As you can see right here, I'm currently on webflow.com and it's one of the best hosting platforms around. But I'll be showing you how to start making money with Webflow, and no, you don't need to create a blog or anything like that. As you can see here, enjoy the fastest, most scalable hosting technology for your business, and Webflow has millions of users, and I'll be showing you how to maximize and start making money from that. The first thing you want to do is go onto webflow.com, and you're going to scroll all the way down to the end, and from here you want to tap on become an affiliate. Once you have tapped on become an affiliate, you will be led to this page right here, and it's completely easy to sign up, as all you'll do is tap on apply now, and from there you'll enter your name, email address and basic information. And by the way, if you're wondering if Webflow is better than GoDaddy or so on, as you can see here, they have a comparison chart, and you can see that with Webflow they charge $16 per month on average for hosting, and you can see the amount of features that they offer compared to WP Engine and Flywheel and Squarespace and GoDaddy. So you definitely will be promoting a good product. And by the way, with Webflow affiliate program, you'll be getting 50% of that $60 every month. As you can see, whether your referees get a designer plan or just set up hosting, you'll earn 50% of all payments for 12 months with no limits. So picture that. You'll be getting 50% of the $16 that they pay every month. And you can see here, to apply, you'll be given a unique affiliate link you can share on your website, blog, social media, or videos. The more you share, the more you earn. Now, after you have signed up to Webflow affiliate program, you're going to go over to YouTube, and I recommend that you create videos just like this one right here, on which you can talk about the top 5 Webflow websites, or you can talk about the benefits of Webflow hosting. You can simply go on YouTube and type in Webflow, and from here you can search in the search bar at the top right here. You can simply type in Webflow, and you can see what other persons are searching for when they type in Webflow. As you can see, Webflow tutorial, Webflow versus Spotify, and you can see right here Webflow versus WordPress. You can make faceless videos talking about these things, and you'll be adding the link in the description, and you'll be surprised how much money you'll make by persons simply signing up. This is one of the plans that I'm definitely thinking about doing, as Webflow is a reliable brand, and their affiliate program, with their affiliate program, you'll definitely be able to make money. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.